Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Insurify, an online insurance marketplace you've probably scrolled past while desperately trying to lower your monthly bills. It lets you compare quotes for your car, home, and even your pet, because apparently, even Mr. Whiskers needs a policy these days. You can buy coverage online or talk to a licensed agent, which sounds convenient, though convenient and insurance are words that rarely enjoy each other's company. But is it actually legit, or just another digital rabbit hole? Let's look at the receipts. Insurify has been around since 2015, which in internet years makes it practically prehistoric. Staying active for nearly a decade suggests they're not just a fly-by-night operation waiting to ghost you the moment you file a claim. They've also managed to amass 29,000 followers on Facebook. Imagine having an insurance marketplace show up in your feed between your high school friends' vacation photos and a recipe for sourdough. Truly the peak of social media excitement. If you're the type who likes to manage your life from a 5-inch screen, they have an official app on both the Play Store and the App Store. Having a dedicated app shows they've actually invested in a platform rather than just slapping together a basic website. They're also surprisingly transparent about their leadership, openly listing Snejana Zakaria as the founder and CEO. It's a refreshing change from those mysterious About Us pages that look like they were written by an AI having a midlife crisis. However, the plot thickens when we look at the reviews. Insurify boasts an excellent rating on Trustpilot with over 7,800 reviews, which sounds great until you realize that internet reviews can be about as reliable as a weather forecast in a hurricane. We decided to dig into the southern side of the web, Reddit, to see what people are actually saying. While most users agree the site is legitimate, many find the experience a bit like a bait-and-switch. It turns out those instant quotes are often just optimistic estimates. Once you actually contact the provider, the price has a funny habit of drifting upward. Some users feel it's a bit of a waste of time since you rarely walk away with the rock-bottom rate you were promised. So, here's the bottom line. Insurify is a solid research tool, but it's basically the Tinder of insurance. The profile looks amazing until you actually show up for the date. Use it for a general idea, but keep a local agent on speed dial if you want the real numbers. That's it for today. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews that tell it like it is.